Hello, everyone.
Hello there.
Last week we talked about glimmers, the opposite of a trigger, things in our lives that it brings a quiet joy and um,
Lightens the load,
yeah,
lightens up things.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
And yeah, and we really touched on the senses and the way that senses play a role in that, and very much in nature. We're touching on that a lot.
mm,
But then we had very interesting responses
mm,
from
mm.
people.
A number of people responding, and in their responses, telling about the glimmers people have been for them.
Yeah, yeah. In other words, not so much nature things, but a natural and to do with the senses, but on a relationship basis,
Yes,
in
yes,
contact with other people.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
And we know when you have family and friends supporting you and so on, it can be so helpful. It is so life giving to be surrounded by love. But I think what these people were talking about is the one example was she was sitting in the restaurant and the owner came and said, I'm trying this recipe, this is on the house.
Yeah, well, you can have a slice and tell me what you think.
What you think? And it
Yeah,
is such a small thing, but it brightened her day.
yeah, yeah.
It brightened her day. And it is a small thing that has a huge impact and changes the flavor and the color of how we feel and so on. And that got us thinking because we said to a large degree when we talk about glimmers, which is quite valid, we think of things happening to us that really makes our lives better, bearable, enjoyable. But somehow we lose sight of the fact that it's in our power to be a glimmer to somebody else.
Mm, mm,
We can we can make a difference by a small thing in somebody's difficult life.
mm, mm. I mean, if you think about it, you get people that if they really brighten your day just by their personality, by the way that they um, how they are open to life and enthusiastic and I think often when we are not in a good spot, it is wonderful to have somebody like that, to encounter somebody like that. But we could also be that somebody in somebody else's life.
Yes, yes. And while talking about this, because it brought such a nice twist
A slant.
and a slant
Yeah.
to the theme, and we really enjoyed it, and we started talking and thinking, pardon, and then we thought about this story, a very old story, and I'm going to read it to you. A man walking through the forest saw a fox that had lost its legs, and he wondered how it lived. Then he saw a tiger come up with game in its mouth. The tiger ate its full and left the rest of the meat for the fox. The next day, God fed the fox by means of the same tiger. The man began to wonder at God's greatness and said to himself, I too shall just rest in a corner with full trust in the Lord, and he will provide me with all that I need. He did this for many days, but nothing happened, and he was almost at death's door when he heard a voice say, O you who are in the path of error, open your eyes to the truth. Stop imitating the disabled fox and follow the example of the tiger.
Mm.
It's such a beautiful story because I think if we had a chance, we'll imitate the fox.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
if,
we take that stance very easily.
very easily. Oh, if there can only be good things happening to me,
Yeah.
and of course there are times when it's really going difficult, and a
And it's
glimmer
wonderful.
and a glimmer will make a huge difference.
Yeah, and our people are there for us, or for one, when you feel that you really need that. You do get that. But we often don't think of the way that we could be, like we always say, like God's hands and feet.
Yes.
Like we could be the ones that lighten a day, lighten a load.
Yeah, we can be the tiger.
Yeah, we can be the tiger.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lovely story.
And today we were in town, and
Yeah, I was just thinking, and I often see these people on social media that really go out of their way to notice people around them when they're in town, when they're in shops, and they will strike up a conversation with somebody that looks down or that seems to be having difficulty, and maybe help them in small ways. And I often think when we are standing in queues and we get to the front, we are often impatient and irritated because it took a long time. And we are not the friendliest people at that cash register. But somebody there, the person that is helping us, is having a day of people like this. So if I can at least be friendly and see them as a person and strike up a bit of a conversation and ask them about their day or notice something about them, it makes a huge difference.
It does.
So somebody today in a shop she was yawning and she was tired, and I could be irritated by that. And I said, you seem to be tired. Have you not slept well? Because the day was still quite in the morning. And she said she has a baby that really doesn't sleep well.
Yeah.
So, and that gave a perspective for me, where I might have thought this is very rude to be to behave this way, doing your job, and it's those things that actually also meant something to me.
Yes.
So yeah, we could so easily just that whole concept of, in a world where you can be anything, just be kind.
Yes.
Can't remember who said that. And that we don't know what's going on in people's lives, and that the least we can do is to be kind. And it makes a huge difference. It lightens somebody's day. It can be a glimmer. It can be something, the only thing in their day.
Yes.
That was bright and made them feel like somebody.
And we were talking about this festive season, how many shops are open later.
Yeah.
And these people, they have to be there, and they close at 8, and then they have to get transport to their houses
Which
and
is
their
not
family.
close, yeah.
So, I mean, there's a lot of challenges, and if it's in our power to make it a little bit easier for them, it can make a big difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not to deter you for looking for glimmers.
No, for sure.
Go ahead, find them.
But even more so, be a glimmer.
Be a glimmer. Be a glimmer.
Yeah, so we were grateful for those responses that reminded us.
Yeah, thank you very
that
much.
We too can be on the other end.
Yes.
Yeah.
May you have a period of rest over this time, and we'll talk again next week.
Keep well, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.